Hello guys, it's me Promise Plays, and today I am playing Meep City, and I'm playing with my next door neighbor. Well, not literally next door, but with my neighbor. And time to go to her. Unicorn Pug 654. And if you hear me chewing, yeah, because I'm eating. Oh my gosh, how did she get in my house? What the hell? What shall we do? Hey, wait for me, friend. Hey, this is annoying. Oh my god. Okay, my friend keeps on running away, but I don't really care. I'm just gonna follow her. Something is stirring, shifting ground. It's just begun. Maya! Maya! What the hell are you doing? Is she even in my game? Let me try to go to her. You guys, I'm going to do a contest down below. So, whoever is first to comment down below in my YouTube video, I will give them. I don't know what I will give them. She's telling me to wear some sort of unicorn outfit. Oh my gosh, me and her are wearing the same top. What the hell? Dress up, dress up, dress up, dress up, dress up, dress up. I really don't know what I'm. Ooh. Now time for the face. Now time for the face. I don't know why I keep on singing. I'm weird. You guys, what's wrong with me? Where is that face that my friend has? Oh my god, 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 oh my god. The face with glasses. Whatever. I have no idea what she's telling me to wear, but yay, we jump. Unicorn outfit. Yes, I'm wearing the unicorn outfit. I don't even know what it is, but I think it's this because I'm wearing the same. just eating. If you can hear me chewing, I'm just eating. Okay, unicorn outfit. That ugly face. Oh shoot. Wait guys. Got the charger. Okay, so what is she wearing? She's wearing this ugly face and some glasses. Where is that? Oh, it's this face. Shame on to me. And some glasses. Some glasses. Some glasses. Some glasses. Some glasses. Did it. Okay, I'm just following Maya. Yeah, her name is Maya, guys. But it's spelled with a J. Shalom, my friend. What the hell? Shalom, my friend. Shalom, shalom, until we meet again, my friend. Shalom, shalom. This is enough. I'm leaving my friend's game. I'm sorry, Maya, but I'm just leaving. Actually, I can just go to her. Yeah, I would like to teleport to her server. I don't care where she is. I'm just teleporting to my friend, bro. And I don't know why I'm talking like this, but yeah. Okay, you guys. I am going to play a different game. A different game. A different game. And we are going to play. We are gonna play. Ooh, Fortnite. Let's see, bruh. No wonder only 9 people are playing. Okay, you guys. I am going to join the game called. It is 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 cold. It is cold. Oh, I wish I had Roblox. Okay. Granny. This better be like the real granny. Crap! What do you do? Jesus. How do you move fast in this game? How do you move fast in this game? Jesus Christ. Shifting the ground is just By the way, guys, if you hear anything, that's my mom. How'd you get out of this? I can't even leave the game. What the hell? Something is stirring. Shifting around. Yes, I got up to there to get out of this stupid game. So let me open my drink so I can drink it, guys. I know this video was very boring, but I'm very sorry. Mega fun hobby. Oh shoot, my friend said join me. I mean join her. Not these games. Feel the flow. Feel what's happening. I just died. With what's happening. What? Didn't I touch the checkpoint? You see me touching it? Now 1 and 2 and 3. Thank you. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, and 5 and 6 and 7. Anyway, guys, that is all for this video. Don't forget to comment down below. Whoever's first will get something. I have no idea. But remember to like, subscribe, comment down below, and bye, guys.